What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 6 error, unable to run with drivers, verifier active, please disable and try again issue that is happening for many users on the Steam and EA Sports while trying to launch the Battlefield 6. So the solution is, you can just go over here, search for verifier. You can just go over here, search for verifier. So just click on the verifier. The reason is, if you any time down the road, if you had made before launching the game, if you make any kind of changes here, for example from the create standard setting, if you made to any one of these following, or if you made any kind of change over here in the verifier, that is the reason why you are having this issue. So now the solution is, we need to set what the changes that you made here into the reset. We need to undo it. To do so, just cancel this first, go over here, search for the CMD and make sure that you run it as an administrator. Go for yes. Then you have to expand this. Now what we need to do is, we just need to type verifier, just type verifier, put a space slash, then reset. Now press enter. Now it says no settings were changed. For in my case, I didn't do any change, but to the users who are facing this, by default or some reason you made a change, so that is why you're having the issue. So try running this particular command that will reset the change and you will be fine and you can play the game. This is what you have to do. I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.